Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let us start with the new lesson today, Algebraic Expressions and Identities. Now first of all we'll try to see what are the things required for us for starting of the lesson and the exercise. Now what is an expression? First of all let us try to see. Expression means something that is joined together, that is x plus 3, x plus 3, like we say 2 plus 3, 5. Here x is unknown, 2y minus 5. Okay, I say x plus 3, how many rupees are there in my pocket? X rupees. I put 3 in that, x plus 3. I do not know how much. So x is unknown, so I will try to find out. So we are starting with it. It is an expression. So this is x plus y is an expression, 2y minus 5 is an expression, 3x square is an expression, then 4xy plus 7 is an expression. This is an algebraic expression. Now what does it contain? It contains a variable and a constant. What do you mean by that? See, variable means x, this xy, it can be a, b, c, d to z, anything. You can take any variable. And what is a constant? Constant means this 3, here 5, here 2, here 3, here 4, here 7. These are the constant. Constant means that doesn't change. Anyone says it is constant. The rupees 2 is rupees 2 only. It will not become 2 rupees 10 paise. So it is rupees 2. So that is a constant. So these numbers which are used are called constants. And x, y, z, a, b, c, d characters used are called variables that which varies from expression to expression. In this expression x may be different, here the x may be different, here the x may be different. We will come to it when we are doing actual solutions. Now let us see something called terms, factors and coefficients. What is the meaning of term? Now this is an expression. Now this expression has two things, 4x and plus 5. When a expression is separated by using plus, then it is called, then these are the two terms. These are the two terms. 4x is one term, 5 is another term. There are two terms in these expressions. And they are added, and this is called an expression. Okay, so this is having two terms, 4x and 5. The terms are formed as a product of factors. Okay, now this term, so 4x is the product between 4 and x. Okay, how is 4x formed? 4 into x it is actually 4 multiplied by x, and 5 is just one factor, that is f, 5. Okay, so this expression contains two terms, and 4x it is formed by the product of 4 and x. So for example 7xy, this 7 is a coefficient. 7 means numerical coefficient also we say. 7xy contains 7 which is numerical coefficient. Also numerical coefficient can be negative. Minus 5x. Numerical coefficient is minus. Now let us see what is the meaning of monomial. Monomial means a term, for example 7xy. There is no plus or minus between 7x and y. So this is a monomial. Now let's see some monomials here. 4x square, 4x raised to 2. This is a monomial. There is no sign between 4 and x. Then there is 3xy. Sometimes there can be usage of more than one variable. X and y are two variables used in a monomial. This is 3xy. So 3 is a coefficient, x and y are variables. So this also you can see another example. This is minus minus 7z. This is 5xy square of ix y raised to 2. Then this is 10y minus 9. So here it can be such a thing that there is no variable also. It is just a number minus 9. And again here more than one variable, minus 82 m n p. So these are some of the examples of monomial. What is the binomial? How it is different? See, a plus b. When a and b are separated by a sign, it can be addition or subtraction. Then it is called, there are two terms, 1 and 2. This is a is one term, b is another term. There are two terms. So it is binomial. You might have heard of bicycle. Bicycle means two tires, is that bicycle. Okay, here 4l plus 5m. So here there are two terms, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Here there is only one term, so monomial. These are two terms, that's binomial. Then a plus 4, this is a plus 4. So this is a number and a variable. Here it is 5 minus 3xy. So here there is minus sign, here there is plus sign. So these are binomials. Z square minus 4y square. These are the examples of binomial. Now what is a trinomial? Trinomial means 1, 2, 3. There are three terms, 1, 2, 3. This is one term, there are two terms, 1, 2, 3. There are three terms. That's why it is trinomial. Here there are 1, 2, 3. There are three terms. Again there is a comma. Comma means a next term. This is x square y minus xy square plus y square. These are the 1, 2, 3. You count the number of terms in that. So this is trinomial. Then this is a plus b plus c plus d. So it is not monomial, it is binomial, trinomial. That general term is polynomials. So these are the polynomials, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here there is only 1, here there is 1, here there is 2. So all these things, monomial, binomial and trinomial, are in general called polynomials. Now what is the meaning of like and unlike? What do you mean by like and unlike terms? Like we say, like if I want to add, and 7x, 14x, 13x, minus 13x, all the things having only one term, for example x here, it is like term. For example 5x square, 7y, 7xy, these are unlike terms. Unlike means what? This is having x variable, this is y variable, this is x and y variable. So these are unlike terms. So these are all the terms having x is called like term. Here there are 1, 2, 3. There are three terms, so like terms. These other things are called unlike terms. So we will understand when we come to the actual problem. See, addition and subtraction. Let us see addition. How you add? Here I want to add this and this. It is written in two columns. Okay. So 7x square. Why is this written separately? Because it is not having a like term anywhere. So 7x square, it is written here minus 4x plus 5. This is written first. Then second, while writing 9x is there, but below 9x. Like I say, when I want to separate the apples, I will put apples with apples like that. So this is x term. So this is like term. So 7x square plus 9 minus 4 is 5. Numbers will get subtracted. 9 minus 4 is 5. Okay. So as we do the addition of numbers, we add the and subtract the numbers. And this is minus 10 plus 4. Minus number is bigger. We know this. Minus 10 minus plus 5 is minus 5. And subtraction, how do you do? You do a subtraction also in that same way. Only the like terms will be added and subtracted. See here. This is one term. This is another expression. This is another expression. There are 4 expressions. Now I am to add this. It looks very difficult, but it is not so. If you do it, add it together like this in a column, it is very easy. See here. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 minus 2 is number only you will write. X and Y is a term related with it. So all the like terms will be added or subtracted. All the like terms will be added and subtracted. All the like terms will be added and subtracted. If there is any other like term, you will write it down separately, like we have written it here, Okay, so that forms an expression. That is the answer. So addition and subtraction. So that's all for today's video. I hope you have liked and understood today's problem. Some introduction to this lesson which is required for this exercises further. So we will solve the exercises further. So this will be of help for you in the exercise that we are going to solve. Hope you have liked and understood today's problems, some of the introduction. Thank you for watching, and subscribe my channel and share these videos with your friends and classmates.